Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how the positioning of code matters in SwiftUI. Let me show you what I mean by that. This is just a normal SwiftUI project, the one that comes as default. And let's embed this text into a VStack. Let's add a button to it. Yeah, accidentally. As you can see, we have a vertical stack and we have text and button in it, but if I give it a background color, let's say green, and its font color you can say white, it does work. But if now I give it a frame, new width and height, let's say UI screen mean dot size, sorry, bounds size dot width and height of 40 and alignment center, you can see that the review shows here that width and height has been given, but the problem is the background color is only showing in this part. That is because I'm setting the frame after I'm setting the color. So now I will have to cut this code and put this at the end. Now as you can see, the background color changes. Now this matters. Now I don't know if this is a bug in SwiftUI or this is how it should work. I mean, logically it looks like that it should work like this, but I don't know if the project has compiled the app, has built the view. It should know that I've changed the frame afterwards. So background color should be shown on the complete width and height of the button, even if we are setting the frame afterwards. But it's not working right now like that. So if you are not getting the required result, so please make sure that you're first setting the frame and then setting the background color. Now this also matters in case of navigation view. Let's embed this in a navigation view. Now if you set the navigation title here, that's fine. But if I embed this in a scroll view, okay, the entire vertical V stack, if I embed this in a scroll view, and then further if I loop this for loop this for 20 times, let's say 20 or 20, yeah, let's do this. Yeah, so let's give it an index. That's fine. And if you run this app, okay, this works fine. But let's say that I give it a background color dot red. Okay, let's resume this, and yeah, you can see that red color appears and it's also here. But if you scroll this, then this happens. again, I don't know if this is a bug or not, but like I said, the positioning matters, and I hope this is a bug and they correct this in the future versions. But right now, that's not how you should be working. You should be putting this code here, and if you run the app again, this works fine. Thanks for watching my video. Please click like and subscribe to my channel.